All right, first grade unit 2, we have new daily routines for this unit. You're going to remind students, norm them again, of course. And then every single slide that we have is going to be repeated every day. So if you use your real materials, like you get out your real 120 chart and you have students using that, you have your blue dot flip chart, or if you are in, depending on the copyright you are in, you might have money here. Either way, you could use your real flip chart or you can use the materials on the slide. It really is up to you. So when we start now in first grade unit 2, where the student leader is going to choose any number between 50 and 100. So let's just say they drag and they say that it's going to be 85. So the student leader would say, what is today's number? And the whole class would say 85. Now, it's up to you if you have students write on the slide. I just had someone say they printed the slides, they put them onto the document camera. You choose you. They can write it or kids can just say it. Okay, so what's today's number? 85. Let's add 10 more. Count on 10 with me. And this is where I want students to count on why they use their fingers. The student leader is going to drag those circles or use a certain color marker, let's say orange, and is going to circle all of the numbers through this column. Then they're going to pick up a different color and they're going to continue counting to 10 on the second column. We're doing the two colors because I found that that's what helps first graders see the partners of 10. So students are going 1, 2, 3. Okay, so they're doing this as we're circling. 4, 5, keep going. 6, they're putting up their 6 finger. Okay, so I can't put up both, but you understand. Students are 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, boys and girls, 85 plus 10 more is, and everyone would say 95. Count with me to find the partners of 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The partners of 10 are 5 plus 5 equals 10. So every day we're adding 10 more. Say the equation with me. 95 is 10 more than 85. So we know that eventually we can just go next door, right? We add 10 and we're like, oh, it's just 95. But this is that conceptual understanding of it really is 10. I counted 10 and I really did get to the number that was just next door. And with that same idea, I was able to also focus on the partners of 10. So you'll do that every single day. Then you choose a teen number. So the student leader would make the teen number. We know we have a group of 10, and let's just say that they removed 2 of them. Okay. So then the student leader would say, what is today's number? And everyone would say 12. What makes the teen number? And everyone would say 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now, can the student leader write it as the class says it? Absolutely. What makes the teen number? 10 plus 2 equals 12. Boys and girls, say it again with me. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So you can use your giant yellow cards, you can use the ones on the screen, but they're looking to see that 10 and 2 is 12 with the dots, with the cards, with the equation. Now that's the same teen number that we're going to finger flash. Boys and girls finger freeze, I should say, the teen number. So before we were doing 10, 20, freeze, 21, 22, 23. That was that finger flash. The finger freeze is going to be all of that second number, the number in the ones column all at once. So we're going to say 10 and 2 is 12. Okay. 10 and 3 is 13. So whatever the number is, 10 and 2 makes 12. 10 and 3 makes 13, etc. So those are the 3 things you're doing every day. You're choosing a number, you're adding 10 more, you're identifying the partners, you make a teen number, you build the teen number, and then you finger flash the teen number. And that's it. That's all you're doing for every single day in the daily routines, which means it shouldn't take a full 10 minutes. So you may have some additional time to get in a little bit more quick practice or to add in any other counting skills that students might be missing. So let's just say that we add 10 here and we're saying, well, I know that first graders' role is able to count forward from any number to 120. So you may say we ended on 95. Boys and girls, let's count to 120. 95. 96, 97, and they just practice counting to 120. By all means, add those things in if you have additional time within that 10 minutes.